So, following the previous episode of Tenderness, Tembu fans were left. Though some other fans were actually excited that Mangwabe finally had the courage, to confront Usne regarding what Usne has been saying about her and the rest of the wives on podcasts and, of course, social media. Others were quite worried that, should they be concerned about Usne after she uttered the words to Mangwabe, suggesting that maybe she, behind closed doors, possibly could be murdered by Mangwabe and the other wives. When Mangwabe approached Usne, Snei said to Mangwabe, "Please do not hit me. Ungangishayi. Ungacabange. Don't even think of hitting me." And those words alone had a lot of people worried as to whether Mangwabe does mur Usne behind closed doors, you guys. Sneh was left very speechless when Umangwabe confronted her regarding what she has been saying on social media, particularly on that one viral podcast interview where she was invited, and she basically spoke about all the four wives, Umacele, Umangwabe, Umakhumalo, and of course Umpilo, when Usne said that Umpilo does not even see her at all. She said that when she visits Makumalo's house where Umpilo stays, Umpilo would just ignore her and be on her phone, put her on her headsets, and life would just go on. And one of the most shocking things that she talked about on the podcast was the famous ban fight where she says that Umangwabe found her once eating a bun, and she took it away from her and said that, that is her bun and Usne shouldn't touch it at all. Now Mangwabe confronted her and saying that, "Who was there when you were pregnant, Snake? Who was there when you and Umacele had a fight when you were pregnant, when she kicked you out? I was there for you. I was the one who made sure that you got food to eat. I was the one who took out money from my very own pocket and bought you food. Now you go out there, you have the audacity to tell people that, nah, I did not, I fought you over a bun. What the hell is a bun, Snake? I bought you food. Like, come on, stop telling people lies all because of, clicks on social media to grow your account and for cloud. How could you do something like this?" And of course, Usne, once again, she was hysterical. She started crying and refused to take accountability. Now, people in the comment section were worried because saying that the way that Usne looked very scared, it is as though she was gonna get whipped by Mangwabe had the cameras not been there. Now they were wondering if this is something that actually happened quite often behind closed doors and behind the cameras, because Usne uttered the words, "Do not hit me, ungangishaye," and people were saying that Usne looked genuinely afraid of her life, as though she was gonna get whipped. Anyways, you guys, what are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comment section and make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.